Once you land and you sit in this classroom and you realize that you know nothing and you have to start from scratch.
It all connected and made sense on why the business side is just as important as the actual working side.
My name is Jacob Williams. I'm from Missoula, Montana, and I just came down here to get some more knowledge about auto reconditioning. And I found out it's not just detailing, it's about auto reconditioning and fixing up cars, making them a little bit cleaner.
So my name is Gavin McKenzie. I'm from New York City, and I'm here to kind of absorb everything that I've learned here at Right Look and apply it out in the field and see what we can pull in as far as like consumers and kind of educating the consumers and making things happen.
My name is Julian Walker. I'm from a small town called Stantonburg in North Carolina. I came to Right Look to get professionally trained on how to recondition and detail vehicles.
I worked in corporate America for a very long time, and I realized that climbing the corporate ladder is very high. It's almost like there's no end to it, right? So I took an advantage to start work for myself and make an opportunity for my future and my family.
I've always had a goal and a dream of owning my own business. So I looked to start a auto detail / reconditioning company. I've looked at Right Look several times throughout the past couple of years and finally made a decision to go ahead and follow through. The first day going over the business aspects and then coming out and doing the hands-on, it all connected and made sense on why the business side is just as important as the actual working side, hands-on.
Once you land and you sit in this classroom and you realize what the criteria of auto-correct detailing is, you realize that you know nothing and you have to start from scratch.
I learned a lot of things that I didn't know, especially on like the product end of things, how the products are made up and how they react to certain things, and like just your paint systems and how they work.
And I think it taught me better time management on how to break simple processes down, from the vacuum to the wash, to the clay, everything.
There's a lot of key words like, we can make it look 100% better.
All their products are approved with OSHA, so that's something that you can tell the customers. The labels were nice, and just keeping it simple, like this product's for this and this product's for this, it's nothing too confusing in your heads.
There are tools that's involved in the auto reconditioning process that I was unaware of until this class. I had never used a polisher until this class.
In the beginning, a little intimidating. You take your time, you absorb everything that you learned in the classroom setting, and you just go out into the field and apply it. And after a couple runs and a couple reps, you're able to build your confidence.
You do get a practice on a large bit of the car, and then if you do have questions, you can ask your peers if they are cruising through it, or you can ask your instructors, and everyone was really helpful. It was nice to have that little group that kind of felt like you could talk to anyone and anyone would be willing to help you. So.
I think that's the beauty that it was a small class. It gives everyone an opportunity to ask questions. You're not being overlooked in any kind of way, and it's more personable.
I'm glad I got to work with the ceramic coating all-one materials. Not doing it hands-on, just looking at it being done can make it seem overwhelming, but it's actually a simple process.
I'm definitely planning on just taking my business to the next level. I'm just really excited to be able to be certified and be able to actually paint correct vehicles and know all these chemistry behind the products.
Man, I can't wait to get home, really pound the pavement and just kind of apply what I learned here into the field and allowing our customers to know how much their investments mean to them and how we can protect that.
My plans of going back home is to continue chasing my business venture. Hopefully by the end of the year, I hope to have my feet on the ground and have my business started and be able to move forward. My name is Julian Walker. I'm from Stantonburg, North Carolina. One thing I would say is don't be afraid to chase your dreams. If you want it, go get it.
I'm Jacob Williams. I'm from Missoula, Montana. I work at China Auto Detailing. And if you want something, just go and get it. I mean, no one's stopping you from doing anything, so.
My name is Gavin McKenzie. I'm from New York City. My business name is Aqua Edge. And, don't be shy, man. Come out here. You know, if you're thinking about doing this, this is an opportunity. I think my peers can all contest to this, that, you know, we're giving this a shot and we're going to go after it.